How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out super cool 72 C10 Shortbox. Cool little truck. Done a radar blue and white two-tone. It's been all lowered. It's got 2.5-inch drop spindles in the front. The rear's been all lowered. They did the grill shroud in a really cool silver. New grill in it, new chrome front bumper. Truck's nice, straight down the sides. Got the small sport mirrors. Really like it with the rally wheels on it. It's got a rear slider. Tell you, the color looks killer on this truck. It's like an older original bumper. It's in real good shape though. See, the truck's nice, straight down the sides. Truck was restored probably 3 years ago. Got a real good running 350 in it with the Edelbrock 4-barrel carb, aluminum radiator. It's got power steering, your power disc brakes. Jams all look real good on it. Black interior. Nice sport wheel. Cab's all painted nice inside. Factory type seat cover in it. It's got seat belts for 3. The inside of the bed all has been Rhino-lined. Got a nice direct fit AM FM stereo in it. Trio of gauges there, nicely mounted under the dash. So they painted the dash real nice. Just a cool little truck. Thing drives out down the road really nice. Thing fires right up. Got 350 in it. 350 turbo trans. Nice dual exhaust. Out the back's got the factory RamHorn exhaust manifolds. We got a backup light bulb out there. We'll get that taken care of. So it's just a cool little truck. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.